Samsung has confirmed the launch of its Galaxy F36 5G smartphone in India on July 19. The phone will feature a vegan leather back and a slim 7.7mm design. The phone will be available on sale on Flipkart. The Galaxy F36 is a lower mid-range smartphone and will be priced under 20,000 Indian rupees. The phone is feature a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus will provide additional durability. It will run on the Exynos 1380 processor, with 6GB of RAM and Android 15 out of the box. The Galaxy F36 5G will come with a 50MP main rear camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. The F36 5G will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery and support 25W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.